You want to create the smoke effect? First create new layer, then go to brush and draw smoke like this. Now go to filter, then blur gallery and path blur. Now do like this. Adjust the curves. Make end point speed to full. Again adjust the points. And OK. Your smoke effect on candle is ready. Do subscribe for more such videos.